Best tool to find hashtags for Instagram. Go to metahashtags.com and search for the hashtags relevant to your niche. So let's say you are searching for a business hashtag. It will show you all the related hashtags according to your niche. So all of these hashtags are related to business. The best thing about this tool is that it not only gives you the relevant hashtags, it is also giving you this analytics here about each hashtag. So this specific hashtag business, has 77.2 million posts per day, 2.5k posts every hour, and then it is getting 1.8k likes. This is a very important number here because this determines whether you're going to be ranked for this specific hashtag or not. If your average for likes is 100 or 150, there is a good chance that you will be able to rank on first 9 posts for this hashtag. So make sure when you're choosing the hashtag, you're looking at this number carefully. And this number tells how many comments each post is getting. So overall, this is a very good tool to find relevant hashtags for your business.